Good morning, students. Let's go on to illustration 8. A and B are partners in a firm. A is entitled to a salary of 15,000 per month and a commission of 10% of net profit before charging any commission. B is entitled to a commission of 10% of net profit after charging his commission. Net profit for the year ended 31st March 2018 was 4,40,000. You are required to show the distribution of profit. So in this problem, we need to prepare our profit and loss appropriation account. And they have given us the salary of A, that is 15,000 per month, which will be written on the debit side. Then they have commission of A and B, both before charging commission and after charging commission, which will be written on the debit side. Partners' commission is always written on the profit and loss appropriation account. So let's work out. Illustration 8. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2018. We have debit side, credit side, particulars, amount, particulars and amount. So the first thing we have is by profit and loss account. They have given us the net profit. It is 4,40,000. Then we have salary, that is to A's salary 1,80,000. Then we have commission, to A's commission. A's commission is 10% before charging any commission. So what is the net profit? 4,40,000 into 10 by 100, which is 44,000. Then we have to B's commission. It is after charging his commission. So it is 4,40,000. After charging commission is always 10 by 110. So we get 40,000. Anything else given in the problem? No. So we total our credit side. How much is it? 4,40,000. 4,40,000. What is the balancing figure? 4,40,000 minus 1,80,000 minus 44,000 minus 40,000. That is 1,76,000, which will be transferred to partners capital account A, B. Have they given us the profit sharing ratio? No. So this amount will be divided equally among A and B. That is 1,76,000 into 1 by 2. 88,000. 88,000. So clear? So let's go on to illustration 11. X and Y are partners in a firm. Following balances appeared in their books as on 1st April 2017. They have given us capital account balance X and Y, current account balance X and Y. On 1st July 2017, they decided that their capital should be 2 lakh each. The necessary adjustment. So capital account, current account, opening balance and closing balance has been given, which will be written in a capital and current account. On 1st July 2000, they decided the capital should be 2 lakh. So they have also given us the closing balance. The necessary adjustment in the capital were made by withdrawing or introducing cash. So whatever balance we get in a capital or current account will be adjustment in the capital. Either it will be drawings or it will be additional capital. According to the partnership deed, interest on capital is allowed at 8% per annum. X is to get an annual salary of 4,000 and Y is allowed the monthly salary of 800. It was found that Y was regularly withdrawing his monthly salary. So they have given us annual salary of X, that is 4,000. They have given us monthly salary of Y, that is 800. So 800 into 12. And it is said that Y was withdrawing his monthly salary. So in case of Y, we also have drawings. The manager of the firm is entitled to a commission of 10% of the profit before any adjustment is made to the partnership deed. So they have given us manager's commission. So we need to prepare a profit and loss account. Net profit for the year ended on 31st March 2018 before charging interest on capital and salary was 80,000. So they have given us the net profit for the year. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account, partners capital account and current account. So illustration 11. First thing we need to prepare is a profit and loss account to find out the profit of the year. So write down profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2018. We have debit side, credit side. Particulars, amount, particulars and amount. So first thing we have by profit. How much is the profit before interest on capital? 80,000. Then we have to managers commission 10% on net profit. So 80,000 into 10 by 100, that is 8,000. So what is the balance? Credit side total is 80,000. 80,000. So to profit and loss appropriation account, how much is it? 80,000 minus 8,000, 72,000. After we have prepared a profit and loss account, the next step is to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Again we have debit side, credit side, particulars, amount, particulars and amount. So this balance we need to bring down by profit and loss account 72,000. Then on the debit side we have, in the question they have given us, to interest on capital X, Y. How do we calculate interest on capital? They have given us the opening balance of our capital. So they have given us 1st April 2017 we had balance of 2,50,000 for X and 1,80,000 for Y. So it will be 2,50,000 into 8 by 100. For how many months it was 2,50,000? April, May and June. Why? Because on July 1st 2017 the balances were 2 lakh each. So into 3 by 12 and then for 2 lakh into 8 by 100 to 9 by 12. So it is 5,000 and 12,000. And for Y it will be 1,80,000 into 8 by 100 into 3 by 12, that is 3,600, and then 2 lakh into 8 by 100 into 9 by 12, that is 12,000. You need not take all this down. I would be giving you a separate working note and you can show all these calculation in that working note. So total interest on capital we get 32,600. Then we have to salary. What is X salary? Annual salary is 4,000. What is Y's annual salary? What is Y's annual salary? 800 into 12. That is 9,600. So the total salary will be 13,600. Anything else in a profit and loss appropriation account? No. So we need to find out the balance. What was the total of our credit side? 72,000. 72,000. So it is to partners capital account X and Y. What is the balancing figure we get? 72,000 minus 32,600 minus 13,600. It is 25,800. So have they given us the profit sharing ratio of X and Y? No. So we will divide both of them equally. So X share is 12,900 and Y share is 12,900. After we have prepared a profit and loss account, next we need to prepare a partners capital account. Debit side, credit side. How many partners we have in the firm? 2. So particulars X, Y, particulars X and Y. I hope you know how to divide the page into half. You can fold your page like this and then divide the page into 2 equal halves. So we have particulars, we have date, particulars X, Y, date, particulars X and Y. So first thing, we need to bring down our balance. On 1st April, by balance carried down, 2,50,000 is X, 1,80,000 is Y. Then on 31st March, the balance is balance carried down. What's the closing balance? In the first sentence they have given us that on 1st July 2017, the balance was 2 lakh each. Right? Anything else given? Next sentence they have given us, the necessary adjustments in capital were made by withdrawing or introducing cash. So whatever balancing figure we get, which side is more? In case of X, our credit side is more, that is 2,50,000, 2,50,000. So we will write 2. If our credit is more than the debit, it will be a withdrawings. We have withdrawn money. So 2 bank account. How much? 2,50,000 minus 2,50,000. Y's total is more on which side? On a debit side. So 2 lakh, 2 lakh. So what's the balancing figure? On 31st March, it is 20,000. So this 20,000 is by bank account, which means we have introduced additional capital. After we have completed our partners capital account, the next step is to do partners current account credit. Again we have date, particulars X, Y, date, particulars X and Y. Date, particulars X, Y, date, particulars X and Y. So the first step is again to bring down the balance. In case of a current account, X balance is credit balance. So 1,4 by balance brought down. It is how much? 5,000. And Y's balances are debit balance. So 2 balance brought down. In case of Y, it is 30,000. After that, they have given us interest on capital on the credit side. So 31st March by interest on capital. X is how much? 17,000. Y is 15,600. How did we get this 17,000 and 15,600? We have done it in a profit and loss appropriation account. After that, in our current account, we have on 31/3 by salary. What's the salary? For X it is 4,000 annual and Y it is 9,600. In the question they mentioned us that Y was withdrawing his salary for personal use. So on 31/3 we have two drawings of Y, that is 9,600. Then we have profit and loss appropriation balance. So 31/3 by profit and loss appropriation. It is 12,900. 12,900. Anything else? No. So we total both the side. In case of X, our credit side total is more. What is the total? 38,900. 38,900. In case of Y, our debit side is more. That is 39,600. 39,600. So on 31/3, to balance carried down, X will be 38,900 and Y will be by balance carried down. That is 39,600 minus 15,600 minus 9,600 minus 1,290. It is 1,500. Clear? Next line, take down the note. Working note. Calculation of interest on capital. Next line. Interest for 3 months. In bracket you can write 1st April to 30th June. So for X it will be 2,50,000 into 8 by 100 into 3 by 12. That is 5,000. For Y it is 1,80,000 into 8 by 100 into 3 by 12. 3,600. At the top you can write X and Y. Next we have interest for 9 months. 1st July to 31st March. X it is 2 lakh into 8 by 100 into 9 by 12. That is 12,000. Y 2 lakh into 8 by 100 into 9 by 12, that is 12,000. So what's the total for both X and Y? X it is 12,000 plus 5,000, 17,000. Y it is 12,000 plus 3,600, that is 15,600. So I hope you are clear with the problem. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.